Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a little clean with me video. I need to clean the house. It's kind of a midweek refresh. I don't know what day I'm gonna post this, but this is a midweek refresh, meaning I only clean certain things, basically focus on dishes, laundry, and other things to prepare for the weekend so that I don't have to clean on Friday as much. And so that Sunday isn't like piled with all of this stuff. So I'm gonna start with these dishes because they are piled high, really piled high. And you know what? Filming myself literally gives me more accountability to get things done. So let's get into it. Okay, before we get into it, I wanna tell you guys, I have a new favorite song. Do you know that like feeling when you discover a new song and it's your favorite song? It immediately becomes your favorite song. And then you're like, oh my gosh, this is my favorite song. And you think to yourself, yesterday I didn't even know this song. So naturally, I'm gonna sing to you guys. Did you do it in the name of God? Okay, here's the situation here. We're gonna fix this up and do these dishes. Little scrub daddy, and yeah, I don't use it like with the soap in it because I have the spray kind. I use it as a scrubber. So what I'm gonna do first is spray this whole thing. I use this Dawn Power Wash. I like to use this. Just spray it, whole thing. So this is already partially loaded with dirty dishes, so we're definitely not going to be able to like empty the sink, but I'll be able to at least fill this up and run it. These are the pods I use. Now we're gonna do the counters in the kitchen. I like to use Everspring all-purpose cleaner. This is lemon and mint. I like to use a rag to clean because it's more environmentally friendly. Floors, I love to use Dr. Bronner's. This is the 18-in-1 soap, which you can literally do anything with this. Not anything, but you can do 18 things with this. You can do your laundry with this, you can clean with this, dilute it, do whatever you want. I love to use it as a floor cleaner. This is the green tea. The water, like a milky. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna stop there. That's basically what I do for my little midweek refresh of my space. And it makes me have a better Friday, so I can maybe go out Friday night, not have to worry about cleaning, and it makes it easier on Sundays. The final thing, I actually need to take some things to the dry cleaners, so I'm setting those aside. I need to take this shirt to the dry cleaners because I want them to like get all of the wrinkles out. I realized it was one of those shirts that like I'm gonna need to take to the dry cleaners and stuff. It's a nice shirt. It's from The Drop on Amazon. Amazon's try before you buy for some clothes, and these two I don't want. So I'm gonna take these to the post office and put these in a separate bag. So yeah, thanks for coming along on this cutesy little cleaning video you guys have been asking me to do. I hope you have an amazing day, weekend, whenever you're watching this, and I love you very much. Bye.